Yadru, tell me what is HTML?
HTML means hypertext markup language.
Full form is okay, but what is HTML actually?
Ma'am, ma'am, in HTML coding.
Would you please be louder? Little bit loud, Nana. Dhruv.
Ma'am, I'm speaking loud, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me what is HTML?
HTML means hypertext markup language, ma'am. We will
Oh,
do this HTML coding in Notepad, ma'am.
so okay. Anybody else? Yes, Mahima. Yeah, tell me, Mahima.
Unmute me.
What is HTML? Tell me, Mahima.
Hypertext markup language, ma'am.
Okay.
That is used to make design documents to display on web browser, ma'am.
Web pages. Okay. Right. Good. So I think you have already learnt in your grade 7, right? Basics of HTML. Yes. Can anybody tell me what are the different types of tags available in HTML? What all the tags we used to write the documents? Anyone? Akshara, will you tell me?
No, ma'am.
No? Are you? Yes, ma. Not Dhruv. Sahasra, tell me, ma.
Ma'am, head to body.
That's all.
HTML.
Ah. Only these 3 tags you have learned?
Title, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. What last year what do you want to speak? Tell me.
Ma'am, HTML slash title, HTML, then after title close, then body, after body.
Don't see the book and tell.
No book, ma'am. I'll start my video. I'm eating, ma'am.
Okay.
Here only, ma'am. HTML slash title, HTML slash close, ma'am. After
Slash
close,
HTML.
after
Slash
body,
comes
then
first. Slash
I
HTML
searching
slash head slash body like that. So each tag will have an
body.
opening
After
and also an end. Right. Right, Lasya. Okay. Right. Yes, ma. So I'll just show you the basic structure of the first of all, let me tell you what is HTML. It is a hypertext markup language which is used to write the documents and display them in web browsers, right? So which where can we type the documents? HTML documents are typed in, yeah, Mahima, I understood. Notepad. So Notepad is used to write the HTML codes, right? Yes. What is the basic structure of the HTML? I'll show you. So what is HTML actually? It is a hypertext markup language and is a language of the World Wide Web, right? Yes, Monish, what happened? I said if you have any doubts, I'll just give 5 minutes after the class, okay? Yes. So it is a language which is used by the World Wide Web and it is a standard text formatting language used for creating and displaying pages on the web. So as you told, it is in these documents, whatever we do in the notepad that are used in for creating and displaying pages where on the web. And HTML documents are made up of 2 things. What are they? The content, like the body, and the tags that format it for proper display on pages. So tags play a very important role in the codes written in HTML language, right? Next, and it is a basic structure for its programs in order. Yes, and HTML has a basic structure, right? And in order to correctly interpret the program, the browser needs to have some basic commands that should always be present. Means what are that? Before writing the code, we need to have some commands, nothing but tags. And inside the tags, we'll write the structure of the HTML, right? And an HTML program has three basic parts, like the main structure, means the main part of the document, the heading and the body. So what are the three basic parts which HTML uses, like the main structure, the heading and the body? This is, now I'll show you the basic structure of the HTML document. So first HTML, next head. Head means the heading, title, then comes the body. So this is a basic structure of the HTML document, right? Heading means whatever the heading we want to give to the document, that we can include in the tag head, in between head, right? And body means what we want to write the document or whatever it is, the coding should be done in the body part. Like each and every tag has an opening and has an end, right? Simple, like HTML, this is the opening, slash HTML is a ending. Like similarly, we have head and slash head, body and slash body. So each and every tag has an opening and an end in an HTML document, right? And coming to the tags or elements in an HTML document. So what are the, so what is head actually? The head of an HTML document is where we enter the title of the web page. So what title we want to give to the web page which we are doing, that title has to be written where in the head part, the title of the page should be written, and it contains information about the document that is displayed on the screen. So what type of document should be displayed on the screen, that should be mentioned in the head tag. And the body of an HTML document contains text, headings, graphics, everything, whatever we want to include, that all are included in the body part of the HTML document, right? And what are the different types of tags and elements that are used in the HTML documents? So how many? There are two types, container element and the empty elements. Container element means, we as I told you, that which requires a closing also. So maximum all the tags whatever we use have an opening and also has an end. So they are called container elements. And opposite to that, empty element means they don't have any closing tags. What are they? I'll tell you later in the coming classes, right? So empty elements are those tags that which do not require any closing. They are called empty elements. And container elements means which has both opening and a closing. What are the attributes? Attribute means, as I told you, HTML, head, body, title, they are all called attributes, right? So what is HTML tag? This is the structure of an HTML. So this is the opening of an HTML document. This is the ending of the HTML document. So what does it contain actually? What is the HTML tag? That is nothing but which defines the document as an HTML file. Means by seeing that, we can know that it is a HTML document, right? And whatever the we define anything that is defined in the HTML document, right? Now head tag, nothing but head, that is nothing but the heading of the document can be written in the tags, nothing but head tags. Like title, we can include anything. Now coming to title tag, so the title tag is included in the head. Heading is nothing but title only, right? So that title is included in the tag head, right? And body tag is nothing but the content, actual content, whatever we have to write or we are going to include, that can be done in the body tag, right? Till here, is it clear everyone? So what are the attributes and what are the different types of tags available in creating a HTML document? Yes? Is it clear everyone? Yes, ma, any doubts till here? You can answer, I have unmuted you all. Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Till here it is clear, right?
Clear,
So
ma'am.
the basic structure of the HTML, what are the, types of elements like container element
Ma'am, I'm saying explain attributes, ma'am.
and yeah, attributes are nothing but this HTML head, title, body. The tags are nothing but attributes. They are called attributes of a HTML document. Like I told you, HTML. By seeing this HTML tag, you can identify that this is a HTML document, right? And head tag, nothing but the head tag contains information about what it contains. It contains information about the web page, such as title. Actually, this is style. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Style and link, and it is displayed in the head HTML tag and body tag. So this head tag, whatever it is, that is included in between the HTML and body tags. So title, as I told you,
Yes, ma'am.
each and every document will have
Title understood, ma'am.
title, right? That is included in the head tag, right? Finally, the body is nothing but the actual
Main content.
content, whatever we want to include in the document, like graphics, images, whatever it is. So whatever the text or images or graphics that we want to include, that can be included in the body tags. Clear? Now till this is the actual HTML document. Means basic structure of a HTML documents. What are the different types of elements the HTML document has? What are the different types of attributes it contains? Right? Now coming to like in MS Word, we can create a list like using bullets and numbering, right? So in the similar manner, we can use in HTML also, we can create a listing structure, right? Like in MS Word, we use bullets and numbers for list, right? Similarly, the same facility is available in HTML also. Like how can we create a list? There are three types of lists actually. One is list, second is unordered list, third is ordered list. So coming to the first one, list. What is a list? So this is the LI. So we the tag for list item is LI. Unordered list is UI. So I think UL. One second. UL, here also OL. Yeah. So what is LI? This element is used to indicate a list item. A list item, it is a container tag. Container, I told you, container means it has an opening and also has a closing, right? Remember, the container tags will always have an open and an end. Okay. So list item is a container tag. Okay. But end tag is optional, means this li slash li, it is optional. It is not compulsory to give slash li for list item, and followed by another list element, or if there is no more content in the parent element. Parent element means the before tag whatever we are using. So whenever we want to declare something like in the form of list, so we can use this li, right? Unordered list means, like unordered list is nothing but bullet list. So how is bullet list actually? It is used when there is no it is not important that how we are ordering the list. It is not important, the order is not important. In that cases we use bulleted list, right? So if we want the items to be in the order, like first this one, second this one, in that case we use numbering list, right? So in the similarly, unordered list is used when the ordering is not compulsory, and ordered list is used when that is compulsory. And if you want to write something in the order, first comes the second, in that case we use ordered list. So if that is not compulsory, anything can come in first or second or thing, that in that cases we use unordered list, right? Okay, first we have to mention ordered list. Either it is, you want it in the order or not in the order. Then we have to mention the whatever the listed item. So first comes OL or UL. In that, inside that OL or UL, this LI will be coming. Okay. And there is one more thing called nested list. Nested list is nothing but list inside the list. So suppose I am writing some like fruits, vegetables, and flowers, right? That is one list, and in that again I want fruits. Some of the fruits I want to mention some fruits under fruits, some of the vegetables, and some of the flowers. Means list inside the list. So that is nothing but nested list. Okay, that is called nested list. Means arranging one list inside another list. That is called nested list. And also we have two more like definition list and frames. Definition means you want to write some definition in your HTML document. In that cases you can use definition. Yeah, if you want to describe anything, then you go for definition, list, and the syntax. Like what is a tag used to write the definition list? Nothing but DL. DLR, DL, and it has two more tags inside it. Means that DL includes two more tags, nothing but DT and DD. DT is used to define the term, while DD is used to give the definition of each term. Means just to write the heading of the definition, like you want to define something, that word, right? So that includes in the DT, and that description will be included in the tag DD. So first DL, then DT, then DD, right? And everything is a container list, and each has an end and an opening, right? So frames are used to display more than one windows on a single screen. Means if we want to display two or more screens in one web page, in that cases we use frames, right? All these I'll tell you in the practicals. Yes, Mahima, tell me. Yeah, Mahima, tell me.
Your voice is breaking in the middle, ma'am.
Yes, Mahima, I can't hear you.
Your voice is breaking, ma'am.
My voice is breaking. Maybe network problem, ma. Yeah, everyone, is it clear? Yes, ma. Any doubts still here? So how to write a HTML document, how to save it, how to show that in the web, this thing, that I will do it now. But this theory part is okay, everyone? You have understood what to write? No network.